Today we're gonna go through the basics of Forex chapter. First and foremost, we need to know who is importer, who is exporter, and who is authorized dealer. Okay, first, who is importer? Importer is a person who imports the goods. He will import the good from outside his home country, or you can say from a foreign country. So if he is importing the goods from a foreign country, he needs to make the payment in foreign currency. Okay, so next we will see who is exporter. Exporter is a person who exports the goods outside home country, or you can say who exports the goods to a foreign country. So if he is exporting the goods to a foreign country, he will receive the payment in foreign currency. Okay, so now the question arises. First, in case of importer, if he has to make the payment in foreign currency, from where will foreign currency come to importer? Okay, importer is situated in his home country. He has to make the payment in foreign currency. He will be having the currency which is his home currency. So first and foremost thing he needs to do is buy the foreign currency and sell his home currency to buy the foreign currency. Why he needs to buy the foreign currency? To make the payment in foreign currency. So for that purpose, the importer needs to approach an authorized dealer. Now the question comes, who is an authorized dealer? An authorized dealer is a person who is authorized to deal in foreign currency. Okay, now let's understand the case of exporter. Exporter will receive foreign currency. Now he wants the money in his home currency. So what will he do with foreign currency? He will go to authorized dealer and sell the foreign currency and receive in his home currency. Now we will move next to basic question and some basic topics. Okay, let's move ahead. The next thing we need to know is the rates which are given are always from point of view of authorized dealer. Okay, there will be two rates given. One will be authorized dealers buying rate and the other will be authorized dealers selling rate. Okay, let's now understand this. Authorized dealer is a person who is dealing in currencies. So he will always buy at a lesser rate and sell at a higher rate. Let's see an example. $1 equals to 80/81. See, there are two rates given. So authorized dealer will buy at 80 rupees. 80 will be authorized dealers buying rate and 81 will be authorized dealers selling rate. Let's move ahead. Okay, let's move to the next concept, which is commodity price concept. Since in question you are given more than one currencies, it becomes a little confusing in deciding what we need to do with which currency. So in commodity price concept, we will assume one currency as a commodity and other currency as a price of that commodity. Okay, now the question arises, which currency will be commodity and which will be the price? The currency which is quoted on your left side will be the commodity, and the currency which will be on your right hand side will be the price of that commodity. Let's see an example. $1 equals to this much rupees and 1 rupee equals to this much dollars. So let's take an example. If in question there is importer who needs to buy $80,000 to make the payment. So in first scenario, he will buy $80,000 at authorized dealers selling rate. He is buying a commodity. What is a commodity? Dollar at authorized dealers selling rate. This is a little easier. Now we see the second scenario. If we are given this rate, importer will buy $80,000. Now we are given the quote, given the commodity as rupee. So don't get confused. If the importer needs to buy dollar, he will sell. What he will sell? Rupee. If he wants to buy dollar, what he will sell? Rupee. He will sell the commodity, that is rupee, at authorized dealers buying rate. You need to always take the decision based on what to do with commodity, and the commodity will be the currency on the left side. Again, we will repeat this. Next is commodity price concept. In this, we assume the left side currency as a commodity and the right side currency as a price of that commodity. So if there is an importer Now let's take an example of an exporter. If there is an exporter, he is about to receive $1 lakh. Okay. If the case is of first example, $1 lakh, what will be he receiving? $1 lakh. He will sell that $1 lakh at authorized dealers buying rate. But in second scenario, now commodity is dollars. Okay. But the rate is given in rupees. So we are assuming rupees as commodity. So if he wants to sell dollars, he will buy rupees. Okay, he will buy rupees at authorized dealers selling rate. Now let's see that how we need to decide the rate. Okay, there are three scenarios possible. Let's see the first scenario. In question, we are given that we are importer or exporter, or we need to give advice from point of view of importer or exporter. So the importer or exporter will buy at authorized dealers selling rate, and importer or exporter will sell at authorized dealers buying rate. Okay, what is the second scenario? The second scenario is authorized dealer is selling or buying from importer or exporter. So the authorized dealer will sell at authorized dealers selling rate. Authorized dealer will sell at authorized dealers selling rate. If the case is of authorized dealer and importer or exporter, authorized dealer will sell at selling rate, authorized dealer will buy at buying rate. Okay, now let's see third scenario. Authorized dealer dealing with another authorized dealer. Okay, then in this case, authorized dealer will buy at authorized dealer's selling rate. Authorized dealer will buy at authorized dealer's selling rate, and authorized dealer will sell at authorized dealer's buying rate. This you need to understand. The questions will be very easy then. Three scenarios we discussed. If we have questions from point of view of importer or exporter, then it's very easy. Importer or exporter will buy at authorized dealer's selling rate. Importer or exporter will sell at authorized dealer's buying rate. If authorized dealer is transacting with importer or exporter, authorized dealer will sell at his selling rate, authorized dealer will buy at his buying rate. But if authorized dealer is transacting with another authorized dealer will buy at authorized dealer's selling rate, and authorized dealer will sell at another authorized dealer's buying rate. Let's move to a small question, then we will close for today. Move to an example. You are a foreign exchange dealer of your bank, are informed that your bank has sold TT on Copenhagen for DKK 10 lakhs at a rate of 1 DKK equals to 6.515 rupees. You are required to cover the transaction either in London or in New York market. In which market you will cover, and what will be the exchange profit or loss? Okay, what are we given in the question? We are given that we are an authorized dealer. Okay, now what has been done by our bank? Our bank has sold DKK. Okay, our bank has sold DKK at a rate given. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to cover the transaction. We are required to cover the transaction. Now what do we mean by covering a transaction? Covering a transaction means performing the reverse transaction. Covering a transaction means performing the reverse transaction. So if the bank has sold 10 lakhs DKK, we now need to purchase that DKK. 10 lakhs DKK we need to purchase. So we have two options: to purchase that from New York market or to purchase the same from London market. Okay, now we are given the following rates. Okay, first and foremost thing what we are supposed to do is we need to write what we need to purchase is we need to buy DKK. So to buy DKK we will sell rupees. We will see one by one. First we will see the case of London. Now we need to select two rates. First one will be the rate of buying DKK, and the second one will be the rate of selling rupees. Now these are the rates. In case of London, one will be this and second will be this. So first we will see of DKK. Now what is the commodity here is pound. What is the commodity? Pound. If we need to buy DKK, what we will do with pound? We will sell the pound. Okay, once again I am repeating. What we are supposed to do is to buy DKK. We are supposed to buy DKK. The commodity here is pound. So if we are supposed to buy DKK, we will sell pound. We will sell pound at authorized dealers buying rate. We will sell pound at authorized dealers buying rate. See, this is the third scenario which we discussed. Authorized dealer dealing with another authorized dealers. So first rate which will be applicable will be 1 pound equals to 11.42. Now we need to see we are selling pound, but we don't have pound. What we have is rupees. We sold 10 lakhs DKK and we now have rupees in hand. Now to sell pound, we need to have pound first. To sell pound, we need to have pound first. Okay. So now this side is commodity. Now to sell pound, we need to buy pound first. We will buy pound at authorized dealers selling rate. At authorized dealers selling rate. 1 pound. This is DKK. 1 pound equals to 74.32 rupees. Now let's solve this. This will be the pound which we sold. Now the pound we will buy at 74.32 rupees. $65 lakh 7,881. So this is the cost for buying 10 lakhs DKK. Okay, what we received for selling 10 lakh DKK. 10 lakh DKK sale price. What was that? 6.515 into 10 lakhs. We received this much for selling DKK. So what will be the profit? The difference of this 6507. So the profit will be the profit in case of London scenario if we enter in London market. Now let's see if we are dealing in New York market. Again we will start the same. That is we need to buy DKK. We need to buy DKK, and to buy DKK we will sell rupees, but we are not given the direct rate. One by one we will start. Now we are entering in New York market. This is the first rate which is given for DKK. We need to buy DKK, so we will sell dollar. We will sell dollar at authorized dealers buying rate. We will sell dollar. Again I am repeating, we need to buy DKK. Here we are given the rate of $1. We are given the rate of $1. We are assuming dollar is commodity. If we are buying DKK, we will be selling dollar. We will be selling dollar at authorized dealers buying rate. So first rate we got is, but wait, to sell dollar we need to have dollar first. To sell dollar we need to have dollar. We have rupees in hand. Now to sell dollar we will buy dollar. We will buy dollar. We will buy dollar. Dollar is given on left side and we need to buy dollar only. We will buy dollar at authorized dealers selling rate. Okay, the second rate we get is $1. This is DKK. $1 equals to. Okay, now let's solve this. To buy 10 lakhs DKK, we need to sell this much dollars, and to buy this much dollar, how much rupees we have to pay? $65 lakh 10,175.76. Okay, we will receive in rupees. How much we will receive by selling DKK? 10 lakh DKK sold. We will receive 65 lakh 15,000. Okay, now what will be the profit or loss? 4824 will be the profit. So we need to advise our bank to enter in London market to get the higher profit.